So what's up guys, welcome back again. So in today's video I want to show you some of one of the software to still make money online. So I understand that making money trading coin is very risky, and it's also a profitable, but there are some of the things that people don't actually show you, and which I will be revealing to you in my features video, like the secrets and also their losses. People don't like to be talking about their losses. All they know is to be talking about the profit, the profit. Like, I've been posting the video on the how to make on trading MemeCoin for some certain period now, and someone just messaged me that he cannot take the risk of the the meme coin, that I should make a video like I promised, because I promised that I'm going to show you guys how you can make money from trading. So, and also aside from that, I think I was posting a video, I was posting some signal on which coin to buy to hold in just short period. That is also shitcoin, but it's not that volatile like the one we just dive into. So, and I will also be sharing you in my next video. I will be sharing you how to make money from launchpad, launch pool, and also the trade arbitrage. How to trade arbitrage and how to find arbitrage. It's not like just copy here, copy there, copy there. They will show you without showing you the price impacts, the volume, everything. So I'm going to show you everything step by step in my next video. So I think I've shared this before now, but let me just re-explain it better. So this is Coin Marketcap. You can still find opportunities here, and you can also earn from Coin Marketcap. There are opportunities a lot in this Coin Marketcap. So once you come to the interface of this Coin Marketcap, you can see we have BTC, we have Ethereum, we have all these are the major coins here. So, and the BTC has been trading for over 24 hours now for 2.1 trillion, something like that. As you can see, over this is 24 hours, in 24 hours. And let me just go straight, and we explain this later. So now once you come to your market cap, you go to this earning. Like we said, once you come to this earning, you come to these exchanges. You see all these coins that is being listed here, that new listing, this one now, this Binance token now, Binance token, I don't know how to pronounce it, but that is just it. It will be listed in binance, and you can rushly to check if it's actually on other exchanges. But one thing I notice is, though it will spike, but not much. So what I want to explain is, let's assume this Binance token now, it has been listed in Binance or in other major exchanges, and it will be listed here. It will not spike much. But let's assume it has not been listed in all these major exchanges. Like, for example, now let's say it has been listed in Bitgate, KuCoin, or something like that, or those exchanges, and Binance announced it that you want to list it, you will actually make a massive profit there. All you need to do, you search for where it's been listed, you buy it before the announcement, before it's listed. Like this now, you said it listed 27, this will be listed 28. So this one now, this VVV now, I want you to check back here. Just take your time and look at it, and observe the market. Let's quickly head over and check the VVV if we can find it in any other market. So here is it now, VVV. I think is a Ethereum chain, So we cannot go to this is very volatile. And to look at the volume, buying volume here, and look at the people that actually buy it currently, and look at it, the contract address. So let's check. There is nothing here for now. So I think, but this is how we take the risk. But I will advise you not to go to this for now. You can only go with the one that is being listed on the exchanges. Like I said, like this far for now, this far for now. The Donald Trump actually just made mention of it, and people actually make bastard money on this FAFO. Though I was late to the market on MemeCoin because I saw the symbol of Donald Trump, but I never knew what was going on. It was later, I just checked the market, I checked the desk screener, and I saw this FAFO has made a massive huge pump. So this is how to just make money on the crypto space. Let for example now this anime in the on Binance. Let's quickly head over to Binance and check Binance. So here are my exchanges here. Where is Binance? Okay, this Binance. Let's quickly check Binance on. So now this is okay. See it here, anime, and look at it. It actually spike. After the spike, then it will now go down. Let's check if it was being listed on any of the platform before Binance. Anime, I don't really know. I think this is the right one. Let's check it. So here is it now. Let's check it. So it's actually been listed in many platforms before now. I think even in L Bank. Let's head over to L Bank, or is it listed in quick one? Okay, let's head over to L Bank. I have L Bank here. So this is L Bank here, and let's check the market anime. Anime 4 hours ago. Okay, I think it's a new coin like this. So I think it's a new coin. So it was just a new coin that has not been listed on any exchanges before. But one thing about this is I though I also don't take much risks like that, but I on any coin that want to be listed in this Binance, I always go for it. Even if it's on Dex, I always go for it. Like this anime now, though I did not check the markets because I was very focused concentrating on the trading meme coin, so I never knew this was coming. So I think I missed this. Let me check if it's been listed on Dex. Okay, I think it was listed on the Uniswap. No, let's check the overview. We are going to see it now. So I've seen it now. This is what I was searching for. So I was searching for if it's actually been listed on PancakeSwap, because I'm very familiar to PancakeSwap, which is BNB. I use BNB to trade. So, and it was actually on PancakeSwap. So from this PancakeSwap, you can quickly buy it and keep it, and once Binance announce it, though there will be high volatility in the market. So within just a minute, you just give a minute after the announcement and you sell it, and once you sell it, you're going to make a massive money, I'm telling you. So I've been trying this, I've been doing this for a long time, but it's just that the recently I just get so much attracted to the meme coin, and as I promise, I'm not going to just leave the community like that. So I'm gonna carry along the community. So this is just how you can dive and make money always. So in my next video, I'm gonna show you how to still make money on the launchpad, launch pool, and how to perform arbitrage, the best way to perform arbitrage, how to find good coin for arbitrage. So I will develop my time and show you everything step by step, all you need to know about those three things. So we really appreciate if you like and subscribe the video, and also share. And if you have any question, you can just ask the question. And if you are interested in joining our Telegram platform, and also if you are interested in trading meme coin, you can follow my X, which is Twitter. I share some trades that make that you can also catch out from them. So see you in my next video.